I am Ella from Japan and live in Vancouver, Canada now. I've built an event builder app and the app's name is EB. The first view is of an event list, where everyone can search and find events. Events can be searched by date. If you select a certain date and click the search button, events that are on that date or after will be shown. If you click on an event title, the detail page will appear, which contains the event name, username, who the host is, the date and location and other details. The date is displayed in your local time zone. To post an event you will need to create an account. This can be done on the register page. If invalid data is entered, an error message will show up. After logging in, you will have a My page. On this page, click on the Create button. Then you will be able to input your event data and so forth. If you'd like your event open to the public, check Public, then your post will be shown on the event list page. If you don't check Public, your post is private, so you can send a link of the detail page to your guests. Only people who know the link can see private events. If you click on the event name, you will be able to see the event details. If you were to click on the Modify button, you will be able to modify your event data. And if you want to delete your event, just click the Delete button. If you need to change your password, this can be done on the Change Your Password. Also, if you want to delete your account, this can be done as well. Once deleted, all personal information and events will be deleted. EB is a responsive design. Thank you for watching. This is CS50.